Good old South African patriot here. So for this video, I want to quickly pick on gun-free South Africa a little bit because of late they've been sort of getting under my skin a little bit. So I went onto their website. You can go read what they stand for and all of that stuff. But one specific thing stood out for me, and I'll put it on the screen for you. It says there that gun ownership should be a privilege and not a right. Okay, so I want to quickly dissect this because I need to understand it. This so it will be a privilege for me to be able to keep my family safe. It's a privilege. It's not a right. So if Gun Free South Africa gets their way, it will not be my right to defend my family with a firearm, but it would be a privilege. Okay, I'm a normal common guy. That's how I think when I read shit like this. Now, I want to quickly show you something, and this is going to be extremely funny because they say that a lot of violence in South Africa is because of guns. I want to quickly show you this. And please like, share, and subscribe. And God bless all of you. Right, gun. There's an intruder coming in. Okay, you've got one in the chamber. Quickly, gun, go. Gun, go. Gun, one in the chamber, ready to go. Lock and load it, go. Sort out the criminal. Gun, go. You see, ladies and gentlemen, it's not about firearms. It's about people. Okay? We have got extremely sick criminals in South Africa. That's the problem. The problem are not firearms. You can scream and shout at that gun as much as you'd like. That gun in the wrong hands will kill somebody. That gun in the right hands will save somebody's life. Please like, share, and subscribe, and God bless.